Are you looking for the best pet camera? In this video we will look at some of the best pet camera on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Netvue PC Smart Home. The Netvue PC is an affordable, fully integrated system that provides the user with a high-quality indoor wireless security camera solution. This system provides two-way connection with an Alexa-enabled smartphone device for hands-free operation. You can synchronize your surveillance system via the internet and can view live images on your mobile phone, tablet. Netvue PC comes with an easy-to-use interface. The intelligent design allows it to be used anywhere in the house with complete ease. It will also work in any place of home where its sensors detect a motion. The cloud service available from Netvue Technology allows you to view your images on nearly any device around the world, without any additional hardware required. Number 2. Netvue Dog 1080p. The Netvue Dog Camera 1080p is perfect for pet owners, as you will get all the high-definition quality that you need for your pet and family to enjoy life together. The beauty of this camera is that it is a plug-and-play type system, so there is no complicated installation required. It does have some other cool features that make it worth its weight in gold. Some of these features include built-in zoom, two-way audio, night vision, pan/tilt/zoom, manual focus, smart AI human detection. The great thing about this camera is that it allows you to get a good image of your pet without having to do much more than simply set it up and point the camera at them. If you are concerned about things like an obstruction on the view, or if you want to get a close look at your cat in their environment, then this is the camera for you. Number 3. Eufy Security. The Eufy security camera's highly efficient imaging technology finds people, not pets, and immediately sends a notification to your smartphone while reducing false alarms. The camcorder automatically tracks and records events, activates when motion is detected. The built-in speaker and microphone with echo cancellation allows you to contact your loved ones or pets, and also scare away unwanted guests. Night vision turns on and off automatically. Advanced ear algorithms ensure clear images even in complete darkness. Number 4. Wansview 1080p HD. The Wansview 1080p HD security camera gives you the opportunity to see your pet at any time convenient for you. See what he is doing. This model has ear illumination, thanks to which you can observe the events taking place at home at any time of the day. The model supports micro SD cards up to 128 GB. It is possible to save the records in the cloud storage. The camera has a wide angle of view, 350 degrees pan, 90 degrees tilt, 110 degrees field of view, and captures 1080p HD video. The Wansview 1080p HD will become a rescuer of lonely pets and will help to communicate effectively with them at a distance. Number 5. Eufy Kit. The Eufy security camera kit will automatically recognize who is in the frame. Artificial intelligence instantly detects whether a person or a pet is in the camera's field of view. Depending on the settings, you will receive a corresponding push notification on your smartphone. The Eufy security camera kit provides two-way communication. There are a microphone and a loudspeaker built into the camera. Plus, smart integration is offered. Connect your home camera to Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, or Amazon Alexa for full control over your smart home security system. Enhanced night vision allows you to keep an eye on any room, even in low light conditions.